If your Beats Flex wireless earphones are not holding charge for long, like you fully charge them and they drop to 0% within an hour or less, even if you do not use it, my friend, you are dealing with fast battery drain. So in this guide, we'll walk you through a few tips and easy fixes to boost up the overall battery health of your Beats. Alright, so if you're using your Beats Flex for a while, due to battery degradation, it wears off and that's kinda natural. If it's kinda brand new, make sure it's charging properly. Now, although it supports fast full, try to full charge it when you plug it in, but not overnight because it might cause more harm to your buds. Now, we all know that when we take off the earphones, the buds kind of attached, magnetically attached. The music gets paused. But the thing is, you still see the power LED. That means it's still turned on and draining battery constantly. So what you can do is just press on this power button and simply turn it off when you're not using your Beats Flex. And apart from that, sometimes battery draining might happen for minor software glitch. In that case, every once in a while, it's good to reset your earbuds. So for that, you need to hold down the power button and the volume down button near the Beats logo. Hold down these buttons together for 8 to 10 seconds while they flash red LED. After the reset, they will start flashing white LED. Means the reset is complete, and hopefully the tips we have shown you is enough to save battery on your Beats Flex. Thanks for watching.